Good morning. Good morning, Dash. Say good morning. Oh, we grab the camera. Yeah. Say good morning. So today we're gonna go on an adventure. The kids have no idea where we're going. Huh? You have no idea. You have no idea. We have to pick up Aaliyah. You wanna go pick up Ate? Where's Ate? Where's Ate? You wanna pick up Ate? Yeah, where's Ate? We're gonna go get her. Okay, here's your milk. Hopefully he takes a nap on the way there. Say night-night. Vic is still getting ready. So we're just sitting here, waiting. Waiting. Check out Dashy's shoes. And socks, hello, Nike'd out. This kid has more Nike than I do. You ready to sleep? Do you guys check what's on sale every Sunday? 'Cause I sure do. Hey. Why is it not opening? There you go. Nope, we don't need any of that. No. Ooh, Star Wars stuff. Oh, school stuff. Nope, don't need that. Hey, Leah. So where are we going today? Dave and Buster's. But it's not open yet. They open at 11:30. So we're just gonna shop, right? Because we need some stuff for the kids. I know, we gotta wait. It opens in like 20 minutes. Dashy's knocked out. What is that?
Please hold on to the side handles for better ride experience.
Feel it?
Are you scared? You see this? How was it?
That was crazy. The vibrating at the end was kind of crazy. They should put seatbelts on that.
We should have did that one.
We'll come back and we'll do that again. How was it?
Yeah, my ears tickle.
Crazy. So we're here at Daiso.
If anything, I'll add music to it. Oh, look at the snack.
I want this one. How many do I get? I bought 32. Can I get one more?
Yeah, go ahead. Did you take your time? Did you look at everything? Did you look at everything?
Can I pocky?
Yeah. Where's on flower?
Oh, right here. That sounds good.
So what are you getting? What are you getting today? Nokita.
And it's banana flavor.
What else?
And I
you
got erasers.
got? We already saw you pick that out. Look what Daddy's
Red
getting.
Daiso.
I love me some Hello Panda.
My Daiso.
Can I see
Yan
yours?
Yan and the chocolate mushroom.
Oh yeah, I gotta try
I
that.
love them. I mean, I want to try them.
Oh yeah.
Whoa! Have you ever been here before? No? I've been here before. It's pretty fun.
Ready?
Oh yeah.
It's like a big arcade.
We just pick a seat, but how does it work?
I think we go on the other side to go ask for a table. I don't know how it works. We're just checking everything out. Ooh, we should do a photo booth. Oh, that's where Daddy's gonna be.
Oh, they got the big. Is that a bigger one?
Is there any small ones?
I think that is the small one, Aaliyah.
You're shooting it. You wanna put?
Hold on, dude.
Here we are.
Where's your shoe? You lost the shoe.
Strawberry milkshake. And they got a chocolate.
Your shoe. Thank
Wanna
you.
try?
What's that? Thank you.
Wanna try?
Big boy. He's gonna sit in a booster seat.
You wanna take the camera? We'll take a picture here.
Hi, Boo. Look at you, big boy.
Make sure he doesn't fall.
I know.
Remember in the party.
Aaliyah.
Yeah, she got spaghetti. Yummy. He likes it.
And then I got a whole fish.
Literally the whole fish.
Literally a whole fish. I asked for fish and chips, and they gave me a big old fish and chips or sweet potato fries. Are we about to dig in?
Yeah.
I already ate my bacon.
I'm about to eat my fish right now.
That is huge. good? No, thank you.
Remember, please hold it. Shoot. It's a reload. What? You run out of bullets. Small accident.
Okay, I'm waiting for our pictures. Look at our pictures. I guess not. Oh, it doesn't focus. So we're done with Great Mall. Did you have fun?
Dunzo. Exhausted.
Did you have fun, Aaliyah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Aaliyah had fun.
Where did you go after?
What was it called?
Bounce-a-rama. It was
Bounce.
Bounce-a-rama. It was like just a bunch of bouncy houses and stuff. Pretty fun. Oh yeah, they wouldn't let it go in the big one.
Dashi, did you have fun?
You asked me to drive. Cool.
No, I said, do you have glasses?
I said yeah.
Oh, I wasn't sure. So we had fun. We bought a lot of stuff for Dash.
Well,
Which
Leah bought
needed.
that cute sweater, that Nike sweater.
Oh, she got a cute Nike sweater. It's actually the one my cousin Kayla wanted when we went to the different Nike outlet. But yeah, it was super fun. Yeah, when we went to Disneyland, we stopped at Gilroy Outlet.
Found these in my pocket.
Ew! Smell it. Blech. Now it's time to go home. How do we go
Family
home?
Fun Day Sunday. It's a wrap. Nah, just kidding. They still going. You can knock out if you want.
52 minutes to get home.
That was fast. You can sleep now.
Oh, speaking of my mother, she's texting me.
So where the hell you at? You're
Yeah.
supposed to be practicing.
Sleep.
Dad's just laughing at you, I can tell.
Let me see.
Look.
What are you laughing at there, dude? You laughing at your sister?
I'm tired.
Huh?
I'm tired.
Ah, don't touch my kitty kitty.
You got the camera.
There we go. Now it's time to go home. See you guys later. Say bye. Say bye, Dashi. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. See you later. What's in your mouth? Water? Bye.